What is the best gun safe dehumidifiers? Here are my full reviews of the best gun safe dehumidifier, together with their pros and cons. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. GoldenRod Original Dehumidifier. The GoldenRod Original Dehumidifier will cover an area of up to 100 cubic feet. The plug comes unattached from the cord, making it easy to hook up. If you have holes drilled in your safe already, it will take around 10 minutes to complete the setup. This dehumidifier will keep your safe around 70 degrees to keep the humidity down. Unlike many other dehumidifiers, you do not have to worry about this one getting too hot to touch. The company is sure you will love their guarantee, so their products have a lifetime warranty. Pros. Does not get too hot to touch. The GoldenRod Original Dehumidifier can drop the humidity to 50%, that is considered museum quality. Cons. The legs that support the dehumidifier are not sturdy. You will have to get more than one if you have a large safe. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. EvaDry Wireless Mini Dehumidifier. The Eva-Dry dehumidifier is small enough to fit in most gun safes, even in nightstand models. This works without consuming batteries or electricity, and it will absorb the moisture in your safe silently. One of the things we liked about this model is that it's easy to track. The dehumidifier uses renewable silica gel beads to absorb the moisture, and the beads change their color as they hold more water. Every 2 to 4 weeks, the beads will reach their maximum limit and change their color to pink. When this happens, you can take the dehumidifier out and plug it into an outlet that's located in a well-ventilated area. After 8 to 10 hours of recharging, the dehumidifier is as good as new. This process can be repeated for up to 10 years. Pros. This dehumidifier operates silently. Can be used for a long period of time. Doesn't need wires to run. Cons. Doesn't hold a lot of water. Needs constant monitoring. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. DryPack's Silica Gel Canister Dehumidify. The DryPack's Silica Gel Canister is a cheap and easy-to-use solution to the humidity that builds up in your safe. Despite its compact size, this small dehumidifier is effective enough to capture the moisture that builds up in both small and large gun safes. One of the good things about this model is that it will remove the humidity in your safe without making any noise. Moreover, this dehumidifier relies on visual indicators to let you know when you need to reactivate it. To reactivate the dehumidifier, you only have to follow the written instructions you'll find in its case, which means you'll have to heat the unit in your oven for a couple of hours. Pros. This dehumidifier is very effective at capturing the moisture in your gun safe. This unit is easy to recharge. The instructions are easy to follow. Cons. The dehumidifier's aluminum case is fragile. Doesn't hold a lot of water. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Lockdown Dehumidifier Rod. The Lockdown Dehumidifier Rod is electronic. It is available in different sizes, so you can find one that fits in your safe. This dehumidifier circulates warm air throughout your safe. This keeps the humidity and condensation away, so your safe does not mildew. The dehumidifier comes with mounting brackets, so it can be quickly mounted low inside your safe. The cord does not have the plug attached, so you can cut the wire to the length that you want, then connect the plug that is included. Highly recommended if you live in a humid environment. Pros. This dehumidifier releases only enough heat to keep it dry. This dehumidifier stays low to the floor of the safe, so it is out of your way at all times. Same great quality as GoldenRod's, but it is priced lower. Takes 10 minutes to install. Cons. Gets too hot to touch. On the other hand, it does not get hot enough to cause a fire. The plug is cheaply made. You can purchase a better plug from a hardware store for a low price that is of better quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Stackon Spad 100 Wireless Rechargeable Dehumidifier. This will absorb the excess moisture from your safe or security cabinet. It is electronic but doesn't require batteries. There is a moisture indicator on the front that will bring it to your attention that it needs to be recharged. After you charge the dehumidifier, it will absorb moisture for up to 6 weeks before it has to be recharged. It does take overnight to recharge the device. Pros: requires no wires, so you will not have to drill holes in your safe. Has a moisture indicator on the front that is easy to read. Does not require batteries. Cons: it has to be recharged. After recharging, it will be too hot for you to touch it for at least 30 minutes. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.